back to another vlog that's starting off in my car per usual. I actually just dropped the kids off to school and I'm on my way to take Journey to her doctor's appointment. Her appointment is at 9 a.m. So that's what we're about to go do now. I actually wanted to stop and get some coffee. I'm also going to be going to get my nails done. Today is going to incorporate some type of self-care. As y'all can see, I took my braids out, y'all. My hair was too frizzy. I couldn't deal with it. Yeah, so I'm going to try to execute all of that today. Let me order my breakfast or coffee because I don't know if I want to get breakfast from them. I'm going to order something from them and then head to the doctor.
Baby girl, what's your name? Let me talk to you. Let me buy you a drink. I'm T-Pain. You know me. Convict music, nappy boy. I know the club goes at 3. What's the chance?
I haven't had Dunkin' in like forever, so let's see if it actually tastes good. It smells good. I think I overdid it with the pumps of vanilla, y'all. It's kind of sweet, but I know they hash browns is never a miss.
Talk to me. I talk back. Let's talk money. I talk back. What you spot? Oakley shades. Shorty got class. Oh, behave. Let's get going. Walk it out. Just like that. That's what I'm talking about. We gon' have fun. You gon' see. On that Patron, you should get like me. I'ma buy you a drink.
I wish you guys could have seen how this lady just scared the crap out of me getting in her car. Like, I literally had my back turned and I looked out the window and she was just right there, child. Journey had to get a shot today and she did not take it well. My baby's okay now. She's in the back drinking a bottle. Right now, I'm about to see if the nail salon that I usually go to is open. It's really early. I didn't expect to be finished at the doctor's appointment so early. Her appointment literally only took 35 minutes. The nail salon that I usually go to, I think they open at 10. But then there's another place too. Let me see. Google says that they open at 10, but let me see the other one because the other one I hear is really good too. But y'all know me, I'm like the type of person that likes to stick with what I know. Do I try something new? Do I try something new? Because I'm be so sick if they mess up my nails. I might just go to the one that I know. We're gonna see when I get to the nail salon which one I went to, because I'm really contemplating just sticking with what I know while also trying to be strong enough to try something different, and I cannot do it. I can't do it. So we're gonna see which one I go with because, child, I don't know.
Oh no!
Finish my hair, you guys. How does it look? I love when my hair is like freshly straightened. I actually just put some of this oil in it, the miel oil. I love it. I don't know if it's miel or miel, but either way, I love it. I don't put too much because my hair gets very oily very fast. And if I leave it out like this, it's going to poof up. So I'm going to put my little doobie on and try to find something to eat because it's like 1 o'clock now and I didn't even eat nothing for the day besides those hash browns. Like, literally, my whole day went to waste, but at least I look good now, right? At least I look good. So I'm probably going to see you guys tomorrow at my second attempt to do my nails because, as y'all know, today was a fail. But look at me. I'm a whole show baddie. Nah, I'll see y'all tomorrow, guys.
Go ahead and show me how you go. And I feel my whole body peeking. And I'm fucking anybody with their legs wide. Getting faded with some bitches from the west side. East Coast nigga rapping north side. Never waste a whole time. Bitch, I'm on my own time. Fuck a nigga cosign. Always change my number and my phone line. Baby girl, I don't lie. Used to have no money for a crib. Now my room service bill cost your whole life. If they try to slip me, I go all out military. I'm camoed all out like I'm in the military. I'm free up all my niggas locked up in the penitentiary. Cause I'm always rapping for that low life.
Make her take a sip of ace of spade like it's water. I've been on the molly in them sands, but your daughter. If she catch me cheating, I won't never tell her sorry. If she gets me cheating, I won't never tell her sorry. Portions in the belly, I got Bentleys, I like Errands. Taking pain pills on the plane, getting chartered. Clapping tags on tags, I'm starving. Bitch, I got the juice and the carving. Turn a 5-star hotel to a trap house. Roaches everywhere like we forgot to take the trash out. Flood my cross with ice, getting money, my religion. Got my baby mama and my side bitch.
Hey guys, I know it's been a minute. You guys have been enjoying all of like the B-roll footage and stuff like that, and it's because I've been sick, y'all. Like, I literally been sick. My daughter was sick, and then I got sick, and now my son is sick, so we all been sick. I hadn't been out in a while, so I went out with my sister-in-law trying to be cute, you know. And then the next day I was just like, you know, it's not giving. It's not giving. And all of this is the week of Journee's birthday. Like, her birthday is literally tomorrow, and we have so freaking much to do. Like, so much to do. Like, y'all know I'm in the process of like trying to convert my living room to an event space. So yeah, operation, we gonna make it happen. My cousin Kimberly, she's really good at doing like balloons and decor and stuff. Shout out to her. She's coming over on Friday, and we're gonna just get to work. I have like a long to-do list, and all of that's going to be in this vlog, so you guys are going to see like all of this. I told y'all in the beginning of the vlog that I was going to take y'all on this process with me, and honey, y'all come in because we need all the support that we can get. Like, I still haven't ordered her birthday cake. First thing to do on my to-do list is to order her birthday cake, because child, why is it the 7th and her party is the 10th and no cake was ordered? But I did order the toppers that I wanted. So I showed you guys the Isn't She Wonderful cake topper, but I got these little ball things that I want to put like on the cake as well. So I ordered that at least. But we're gonna go order the cake. I have to go get candy for the piñata and for the goodie bag. I have to get cupcakes, juices, all of the like drinks and like groceries and stuff like for the kids, Capri Sun and stuff like that. I have to create a playlist because we need like age appropriate music. I haven't thought of any games yet for kids to play, and it's really hard, y'all, because it's like majority of the kids are like gonna be like 4, 5, 6, 7, like around that age. Journey doesn't really have like a lot of like kids like that are babies, so that's what the soft play area is for them for. But in terms of game shot, I don't know. I have to brainstorm games. I need to write all of this down. Like, as I'm saying this to y'all, I really should be writing it down. I'm actually gonna go write it down as soon as I end this clip, because there's a lot. And then I have to do a first birthday shoot for her. Why am I doing this the day before her birthday, child? I do not know. I don't know. I had nothing. Well, actually I do know. They were sick. Stop being so hard on yourself, Keisha. You're being too hard on yourself. Like, I know why. They were sick, so I couldn't do it. It's not my fault. They were sick. I literally could not do it. Journey, thank God, is getting better. She's got a little runny nose. Jules has strep throat. He's on antibiotics, but he's doing better. Doctor said he could go back to school tomorrow, thank God, because we're getting all of this stuff out of the way tomorrow. Yeah, so I actually just made her a bottle, and I think she should have fallen asleep by now because she was really fussy. If not, she's probably just watching TV downstairs. But I'm gonna wait until after she naps to do this photo shoot, just because she's really cranky and it's giving like this is gonna be harder than I thought if I do it right now. So I have some work to do on my computer. I have some editing that I need to do, so I'm gonna do all of that. Oh, let me show you guys. So remember the dilemma that I had with the balls, the ball pit? We ordered more balls. Tell me how you guys think it looks now. There's like a lot more balls in it now. I'm actually happy with the way that it looks now. I feel like with the kids sitting in it and everything, like it was a lot better than I had it before. Like, I've seen it before. It was just giving not good. But yeah, so let me go see what these kids are doing downstairs, because I know y'all hear them, and I will see y'all when it's time for me to start this whole shebang of a photo shoot. the store, ordering the cake. We're in Target now, just trying to pick up like the juices and candy and stuff. And then we have to get other stuff. Teamwork make the dream work, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Woo! Y'all, so it is the next day. We went to Target yesterday to get like last minute stuff, as y'all saw in the previous clip, and we also ordered her cake yesterday, which we have to pick up tomorrow at 3 o'clock. So today is just really like Operation turn the living room into an event space. So we're about to get ready to move all this furniture that y'all see in the background out of here, so that we can just get it organized, because my cousin is coming over later to start like doing the balloons and all of that stuff, so that we can get a head start on that. Last night we took care of some of the goodie bags. I don't know if y'all see it, but yeah, we took care of some of the goodie bags and the piñatas. So we just put Journey to sleep, and yeah.
I don't wanna think so much. I just wanna feel. You know that it ain't no rush. Let me keep it real. Just let me be in your life like that. In your life like that. I'll bring the life right back. I'll bring the life right back. I'm gonna make you a model. I'm gonna be a new favorite. Telling me closing the door. I am the only for sure.
And she's setting up, blowing up the balloons. We got mad balloons to blow up, but can't wait to see the transformation of my living room, y'all. Shout outs to Kim.
Guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know. Gotta thank you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they can dream of. What you won't do for love.
Good morning, y'all. So it is the day of Journey's birthday party, and as y'all can see, Kimberly did her thing back here. There's a couple more like little finishing up we have to do, but it was like almost 1 o'clock in the morning when she finished up with everything. So we still have mad stuff to do. It's like 8:30, or about to be 8:30 now, and I was up at like 6 o'clock trying to print out the pictures for like the little thing that we're gonna hang that shows her milestones, and my printer just was not doing it, so I ended up just ordering them to be printed from CVS, and they said my pickup time is gonna be 9 o'clock. So I figured like, let me just get dressed now so I could go pick up the pictures and just get like everything out of the way early so that I could come home and finish decorate. Kimberly's coming back over early to fix up whatever she has to fix. I just washed my hair because I realized I didn't do it yesterday, and I wanted to do my hair yesterday so it could be nice and like pressed for today, but I'm gonna be doing my hair today, so we're gonna see how that goes. But yeah, I'm about to get ready to go. Jalen's gonna be my little helper today, so I'm about to get ready to go. We gotta make a Target run, we gotta go to CVS, we have to stop at the supermarket, and I want to do all of this before 10 o'clock. So yeah, it's giving we need to leave now.
One eternity later.
Hey y'all, so I have to go to Target to try to find something real quick and simple to wear because I realized I don't have nothing to wear. Trying to get all of this done before 1:30. What time is it, Jay? 12:45. It's 12:45. So let's do a time check. It's 12:45. I'm trying to do all of this and be back in the house by 1:30. Hopefully we can make it happen. I'm ever doing this again, like party planning, trying to have like events is yeah, no. I don't think I'm doing it ever again, y'all. Honestly, this is a lot. I done hurt myself. I cut my finger. I dropped my TV stand on my foot, so now my foot has like a cut and it's swollen. Like, it's just way too much. But it's coming out so beautiful. And y'all, Journey took some steps today. She took like, I don't know, like maybe 6 steps. She walked, like literally walked. So I'm just hoping she keeps that same energy for the party. We on a time crunch right now. Juju and his daddy are still at the barbershop and they've been there since 9 o'clock. Why does it take guys so long to get their hair cut? I don't know. And me and Jalen just look like this. Hats on, looking crazy.
And got me a free sample of candy.
Bro, I can't. Like, I'm not doing this again.
Guys, the cupcakes fell.
Yeah, that too, because of Jalen.
It wasn't because of me. It was because of the car. The car bumped.
She wanted to show y'all the cupcakes
No,
so bad.
the car bumped and the cupcakes tilted and it fell.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they can dream of. What you won't do.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Journee. Happy birthday to you.
Hey y'all, so it is the next day. Operation Give Journey the Best First Birthday Ever was accomplished. Like, I was so happy with the outcome of the decoration, of the food, of the cake. Like, everything was just so perfect. Everything about these potential last firsts just hit different. Like, Journey might be my last everything. Last first birthday, last first tooth loss, everything, last first steps. Like, so it's just, it makes me emotional when I think about it. But I'm just so happy we were able to give her like a very nice birthday party for her first birthday. Small and intimate is honestly about to be my thing. Like, it was such good vibes. It was so smooth. Everything was just perfect. Thank you to everyone that came, showed love, sent the gift, you know, sent the text message, a phone call. Like, I really, really, really felt the love the day of her birthday. I was an emotional wreck the day of her birthday because it was like I said, potential last first, like, you know. I'm gonna wrap this vlog up here. As you guys can see, I have on makeup because I have a lot of content for like 3 different brands that I have to film, so I'm trying to like knock them out. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. If you made it this far and you haven't subscribed, I'm looking at you funny. Please stop what you're doing and go subscribe. Yeah, join the family, and I will see you guys in my next video really, really soon. As always, bye guys.